How to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can pay with PayPal on Amazon. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in and enter your Amazon.com, and if you have any product that you want to buy in Amazon, and if you're wondering if you could pay with PayPal, but unfortunately Amazon does not directly accept PayPal as a payment method. But indirectly you can pay with PayPal using the Amazon gift card. So you can buy Amazon gift card with the PayPal, which is another workaround if you want to buy an item with your PayPal on Amazon. So for that you have to visit this website, that is gamecardDelivery.com. So once you are here, click on the search bar and all you have to do is search for Amazon gift card. Now here you have all of the gift card that you can buy. So according to the amount of your item, you could buy one of the gift card. If your item is worth $10, you can go with that, and according to the price range, you can select the card that you want to buy. Then click on buy now. After that, here as you can see, you can buy this Amazon gift card with the PayPal. So enter your PayPal credential and then you can buy this Amazon gift card, and once you have successfully bought this gift card, you will receive a gift card code. Then you can use that code in order to redeem in your Amazon account. So once you're on the Amazon account, and if you already have your gift card, you have to redeem your gift card. So here click on proceed to checkout, and during the checkout process you will have a field to enter the gift card code. Enter the code, redeem the code, and according to the amount that has been added on your gift card, you will be able to buy a product in Amazon. So this is one of the safe and effective way to buy a product with PayPal on Amazon. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.